know if you can hear me. We're getting ready to race. All right, everyone. So we're getting ready to drive to go line up. If you can't hear me, I apologize. But we're gonna about to get it in. All right, everyone. So we had a little delay, but we are good to go right now. Somebody wrecked. We had a little delay, but we're good. So we're gonna see what we can do. So it looks like I'll be going up against a F80, lady driven. See how it goes. That was slow. I didn't hook well at all that time. Not sure what's going on. I'll have to check something, see what's going on. All right, everyone. So my first one was trash. Not sure what was going on. My car didn't really hook, and my time was trash. So hopefully this time I can hook, and we'll see what happens. Another thing too, my E sensor stopped working. So I think I have enough E in here, based on my math, but I don't even know. Let's get it. Let's see what happens. My car lost traction again. My car's running really slow right now. I don't know what's going on. Really slow. It's running slow as crap. I don't know what that was, but it was slow. I ain't even get to 130 miles per hour. I don't know what's going on. I gotta figure it out. All right, everyone. So my E mix was off, and that's what was causing my car to run real slow. I just put more E in the car, and we're gonna see if we could do a better job. I'm also gonna try 4-wheel drive to see if I can hook better in 4-wheel drive. Because right now the track prep isn't the best. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys. We're gonna see what we're gonna do. I'm actually gonna go 4-wheel drive sport. Like, forget it. Just send it, you know? We'll see what happens. Let's get it. I cannot get a good launch to save my life. I'm gonna go to 4-wheel drive, try that. I did a little better, 10.7, but I still can't hook. I can't hook.
You're not hooking?
No. I'm spinning, and then, so if this happens again, I may go back to stage 1 drag mode, because maybe stage 3 is too much. I don't know.
Bro, I love your YouTube channel,
Oh,
bro.
appreciate it, bro.
I love the car, man.
Thank
How do you like it? You like it more than the M3, the one that you have?
For me, I think it works better.
What about the carbon ceramics? Because my brother ordered his G80. It's coming, I think September, October. The build didn't start yet, but hopefully it'll start soon. But he got the carbon ceramics.
Yeah.
Are they worth it?
I think for me, I think so. Yeah. Because you get consistency and there's like no brake dust.
No brake, yeah, that's the main thing. And plus the regular brakes, they squeak a lot too. Mm-hmm. These, after they heat up, they don't squeak, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
That's right. That's awesome, man. It's nice to meet you.
Oh yeah, man. Thanks. All right, y'all. I'm getting ready to race Keys. He's in his dad's F90. stock. So hopefully I win. Yeah. It activates really quick though. Yeah.
You have to have it in manual mode, right?
Yep.
But it still automatically shifts?
Mm-hmm. Maybe I shouldn't have told you that.
That's what I was going to do, so. What do these runs stop?
11-1. Yeah.
What's the running start?
Oh. All right, guys, let's get it. Got a good launch. All right, so Draggy says I ran a 10.6, 290 to 60. So we'll see what they got. I'm still not hooking the way I want to, but you know, what can I do about it now? Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
10.5. 10.5. All right, so I'm gonna run again. This time 4-wheel drive sport. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm about to race a super fast X3M. Probably gonna lose. So he's got drag tires on, so we'll see. All right, let's get it. I spent out really bad on that one, so I know that wasn't a good time. I'm gonna give the car a little bit of a break. Not sure what's going on. All right, guys, took a break, do my last run. I changed the stage 1 on the transmission, so we'll see if that will help. We'll see if that helps. I hope so. Y'all wish me luck. I'm just trying to get 10.5. 10.5 is my best. I'm trying to beat that. So we'll see if I can do that. I'm racing against a M3 F80 rear wheel drive. He's got a big tire on the back. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's a 340. Sorry. Oh yeah, I hope that time. Let's go. Let's go. I think a 10.5, I think. 10.5. I hooked that time. 283, 0 to 60. 1.664. Not bad. That's my best run of the day. That felt really good. Best run of the day. All right, guys. Me and Yusuf about to run. Redemption time for me. Yusuf beat me in a road race last time. He was on E. I wasn't. Now we're both on E. We're going to see what's going to happen. Who y'all got, man? Put it down in the comments. Who y'all got? Yusuf got a drag tire from Brian, so he cheating. Well, somebody, I think an X3M might have blew something. So I forgot to record a run. But I got him. He was asleep at the line. Yusuf, I got you. He was asleep. I forgot to record a run, but somebody got it. Yusuf was caught sleeping. We did sit for 10 minutes because of X3M wreck. We'll see what my time is. I actually hooked, so maybe my tires was too hot before. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, I ran a 10.5. That's my best run of the day. 10.5 at 129. 60 foot was a 163. All right, everyone. So me and Yusuf about to race again. He said he couldn't engage launch control, so we're gonna see what happens this time. It's close. We'll see. I think I got him. I got him. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And I slipped. Draggy said I ran a 10.7, so I was slow too. I spent. My lane was wet because they.
My launch is ready. I don't know what to do now. Because like it said ready to launch, and then I go and then it goes.
Yeah. Let's go. He said his launch control wasn't really working, but I'll take the win. I'll take the win. So he ran a 10.9 at 134. I ran a 10.7 at 129. So he was catching me. It was all in the launch though. My launch was terrible, but it was better than his, and that's what drag race is all about. So yeah, it's been a hot day. I ain't had no food. I'm about to go get some food right now, and yeah, let's go.